Microsoft is making bold moves in quantum computing with its latest breakthrough, the Majorana-1 chip. Could this be the technology that cements MSFT's dominance in the future of computing? Let's break it down. Microsoft isn't just about Windows anymore. It's a tech giant with a strong presence in cloud computing, AI, and enterprise solutions. And now, it's making waves in quantum computing. Investors are watching closely as Microsoft unveils a major innovation, the Majorana-1 chip. So, what makes the Majorana-1 chip a game-changer? Unlike traditional qubits, which are highly unstable, Microsoft's new chip uses Majorana quasi-particles to significantly reduce errors. This could be the breakthrough that takes quantum computing from theory to real-world applications. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize industries, pharmaceuticals, cryptography, finance, and AI. The market is projected to hit $125 billion by 2030, and Microsoft is positioning itself as a leader. If successful, this chip could drive serious growth for the company. Short-term, Microsoft's stock has already seen increased investor interest following this announcement. Long-term, if they can successfully integrate this technology into Azure Quantum, it could unlock massive new revenue streams. We're talking about a real competitive edge against IBM, Google, and IonQ. Microsoft's progress could drive more investment into quantum computing. Smaller firms like IonQ and Rigetti might collaborate with cloud providers like Azure Quantum or Amazon Break It instead of competing head-on. Microsoft's approach isn't guaranteed to scale quickly. Trapped ion and superconducting methods still offer distinct advantages. If Majorana qubits face unexpected hurdles, other architectures could stay relevant. However, Microsoft's breakthrough might shift investor focus away from smaller quantum firms, making it harder for them to secure funding. Many quantum startups are still in the early stages of commercialization. If Microsoft successfully integrates its Majorana qubits into Azure Quantum, it could become the default choice for businesses, leaving smaller players struggling to compete. Yet, smaller quantum firms still have avenues to maintain a competitive edge. Starting with IonQ, they are a leader in trapped ion quantum computing, known for its high fidelity and long coherence times. It has strong cloud integrations with Amazon, Google, and Microsoft, along with a roadmap towards scaling algorithmic qubits beyond its current 30. However, if Microsoft's Majorana qubits prove vastly superior, IonQ could lose its competitive edge. Trapped ion quantum computers are slower than superconducting counterparts, limiting scalability in the near term, and the company depends on third-party cloud platforms rather than having its own quantum ecosystem. The outlook for IonQ remains neutral to slightly bullish. Its partnerships might shield it in the short term, but it must scale its qubits to stay competitive. Next, Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing has been a pioneer in superconducting quantum computing with a strong research background. It focuses on hybrid quantum classical approaches, which can improve computational efficiency, and holds government contracts with DARPA and other agencies. However, if Microsoft's error correction technology outperforms, Rigetti's tech may struggle to remain relevant. The company faces significant financial struggles, with ongoing concerns about cash flow and sustainability, and its superconducting qubits face tough competition from both trapped ion and now Majorana-based approaches. The outlook for Rigetti is bearish, as financial instability and tough competition make this a high-risk investment. D-Wave Quantum specializes in quantum annealing, which is highly effective for optimization problems in logistics, finance, and AI. It already has real-world applications and clients using its technology, and faces less direct competition with Microsoft's universal quantum computing approach. However, quantum annealing is not a universal quantum computing method, limiting its potential applications. If Majorana-based qubits scale successfully, interest in quantum annealing could decline, and the company struggles with proving its technology's long-term viability against more versatile quantum computing approaches. The outlook for D-Wave remains neutral. Its unique focus gives it some protection, but it must demonstrate real-world advantages to stay competitive. Quantum Computing Inc. provides quantum-ready software solutions for businesses, allowing enterprises to experiment with quantum computing before full adoption. It works on hybrid quantum classical computing solutions, potentially bridging gaps until quantum hardware matures, and has a less capital-intensive business model compared to hardware-focused competitors. However, it is heavily dependent on hardware partnerships, making it vulnerable if IonQ or Rigetti struggle. The company lacks proprietary quantum hardware, making it susceptible to changes in the market landscape. If Microsoft dominates the quantum cloud computing space, QWBT could struggle to differentiate itself. While quantum computing is still in its early stages, Microsoft's investment in this technology shows they're playing the long game. If they succeed, this could be a trillion-dollar opportunity. But as with any emerging technology, investors should watch for real-world applications and adoption before making any big moves.